Good morning, guys. So market looks completely highly volatile, and you can see like Nifty looks bullish, and Bank Nifty is still trying to sustain below the our resistance zone that I was talking yesterday. Now let's look at the intraday trend. Intraday trend looks highly bearish and highly bullish in Nifty and bearish in Bank Nifty. So you can see, and when trend is highly, you can say highly bullish in Nifty, so you can just sell a put, and through sell put you can just find what is the support and resistance. So you can see like 17,700 is the immediate support and 17,900 is immediate resistance. So until we are not getting a proper indication from PCR, you can say like Bank Nifty will not sustain above 17,900, right? 17,900 as a resistance you can follow. So based on the support and resistance, you can see 17,900 to 17,700 is the range in Nifty. And like for Bank Nifty, trend is highly bearish, and you can see like 41,700 is the immediate, you can say, resistance, and on the downside 41,300, 41,000 is the immediate support. So 41,700 is the immediate resistance and 41,300 is the immediate support, right? So you can just keep these levels on the for your strike selection, right? So until we are not getting a proper breakdown from 41,700, if PCR is below 0.60, we can't say that Bank Nifty will sustain above 41,700, right? So these are the levels you can keep on radar. So now, what we can do in this type of highly volatile market, we can, instead of creating any directional bet, I suggest we should go with a range bound approach, right? And keep your range a little broad. Let me share one of the strategy I have shared. So this was the strategy I have shared, uh, and you can see I was keeping a range of like 40,200 to 42,000, and until if Bank Nifty is trading between this range, I don't need to bother. And you can see like profit is like around 25,000. So this type of strategy you can create based on the current market scenario. And when like IV is high, you will get high credit, and when credit is high, you can utilize that credit to keep your range little broad. So I hope you have understood what I want to share here. Now, I will share few strategies also on my blog, like for range bound strategies you can use in this type of market. So you can keep following tradepick.com, and you can follow my Telegram channel also. I will share the link in the description. Thank you for watching this video. I will meet you in the next video.